The new crusading guide. Offensive South MC fingered in threats of death, police harassment, and the big one, Alan Kwadwo Chairman. It's Alan's time. Or my hin of God, so na I declare. Oko for your capital, no ye God, so ye my hin, and na no akokasa to Alan Chairman champions and your brain ye Alan Kwadwo Chairman. Afe new scandal rocks NDA boss. PPA calls for investigation of Sumaila Abdul Rahman in another over 5 million scandal. And once more, ignore fake poll results. Ejisu is solidly behind John Kuma. Ejisu Young Patriots, Anna Akase. Anna Fe, Judah Elders, Queen Mother Defend Okobin Mines, says its operation are genuine. And once the new crusading guidance so there. But the Chronicle de Obokata, 58 years after the death of J.B. Dankwa, there's an article in the Chronicle de Obokata. And what gold for oil entails. We have virtually concluded DDEP. IMF board approval is next. President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Nakase. And the big one again, it's Alan's turn to lead MPP. Go so my hene. I don't know to this answer. If you're back to
myjoyonline.com, Enra Yeditu, 5 injured as Bebiani Zongo resident clash with a Santi Gold Corporation security men.
Oh, Galamsey.
Sir, meant to be what I said 2 years in Enra Diano, a chroma of one, Bebiani Zongo for almost site or Galamsey for gold mine the phone hawk or side, as a meant to me who I say, a boomer pro. I want some near. Rahosamba Kwame, former NSMQ shark, now lives in pain due to bipolar disorder. Needs help. Mumia, baby, I'm worth baby. Muma Yamwa, was she dear Mumia. Now, for security agencies in Boko will bring situation under control. Deputy Defense Minister. Okay. And also,
okay, so now the 6th of February, my name put in some reminders quickly. Nilibekwa kujina fiaman kwaso for health reasons. Maho insem ansana General Bravo President Fia Kaimane.
But before then, Jerry Justice birthday. Aha.
That's a picture say kwaye yeni clients Jerry Justice. Ofie kwanso Jerry Justice. As the Fia Kasawaka can sound come now the Jerry Justice.
Now the you hear Jerry to na fe ya. Ntino say Savaica na ya wie de and so still, I will see a check. Yeah, young check. I will see a check. Now, February, when so a childhood cancer and cram. Yes, I have one margin. Until no so, you will be beer one more frano one, young for Munko Hospital. I don't think America say, Crano. Omudu stage be omwane dware ye so ho amomuja ba once so ya na so a check e na be mo atumi observe omahunu se bia bibi e wo ho na uja ne saa ohwa na bibi koso a nhunu ubehunu na akọ esro ha nti ye mofra no ye check enye hu de bia doctor for say de omoka no so hu ne ntam nko ade a omtim si ano say childhood cancer omhu ne ntam nko a ba bia cancer ni fifiri ba no omtimi si na spread it anko other parts of the body inti awofo about time muma ye hwe mofra no na nyame ya wadoma minim say Apostle Salasi wa ya dada na February yes
yeah children's ward no
yes Apostle Salasi ne na ashore ma Apostle edini kwa say
Elder Omahene Kwabena Center Apostolic Empowerment Ministry.
Thank you.
I am proud to be a church member and to serve in the house of God. David say any day say omesimi enko radifi if you know nim nyoma ewe radifi ikunim die yedi asetena pa concern ni ho atro ni ho enibre ni ho woye ni ho osimo ko now the source man metimi kasa mo was say ozi hwe me dey go so for that
me ho ni ma wo papa no me fela wo said it too much nti nyame ya dum 14 say nyame ya wadum obede binum ni ade sa ya yen kai mia bi ati seye na emu oden ya no mu ehia moa nti ye ho asem eno no wo adoye bi so cerebral palsy fo nkwada ni akone akọbo wo mo fisa sa ba tan no wo mo entumi nya hwe bakwabna wasa ma me chance ma me san kan fanto so ye nyina ye bodawu say maternal death
yes
emu ayo emu ya kwa wo so na wa ma emu ya
I am shishie nko which should not be the case kwa wo so I am shishie nko so yere o sister o sewa bi o dofo bi o baby o so kwa wo so aba o die na
yes
because we can unim die kantia o die now kopem se obato na nya ni krachi no e se o ma ho ba bosu be miensem no sa fe de nyom na nyina atimi asesa na afi enye adwuma ketwa
enye easy
You know?
Nti ye nyina ye wo asudie, ye nyina ye wo responsibility. Say wo say ya doctor for nurse for ye wo mo famudie. Na wa wo nso nipa no e. Ebi mo mo no maduro no.
Eduro no mo no.
Pregnant women no, mo no.
Kwa no ato atwe be.
O de ahye
ebi nso kra gidi enti omo nkọ kọhwe bra antenatal ho sense bo nkọ pe bi kra
extra. But the first day wo wa menstruate na first I saw hospital. So we obi a wo hwe be nim dia ko hospital. Yan ko hospital. Obi ye proud to say oh 4 months ni me nkọ hospital me twen na ye kakra. Mo mi enya isa. Awo no so kan wasimu ntam entena fie nka say me twen na me kọ ho no ma nurses na mo do mo sa be wo be hihye mase ho saa na e me ya my dear. We had distance from baby I would take hospital mu wa simu ntam no wadu ntam ne ya show fi say ya na delays ahodo no so e affect nkura no ohun ti mu mi enhye no so na afa na eba.
Okay, so that's it. It's a positive week. Think positive. And nyoma ese fatankwa na beba ase embu hu abomfia embo obubu na de bia da na media intimate makomani obekwa amana bro so bi wadwene mutuo and nyoma di yidie ba no after mpaibo any fasting no you need to take action and fa ho nkoto mpaibo enye machine ko abetim de wako fa ho nkoto fasting so it's good but opese to mpon take action o tra fa akodo so show dem friend because abompa na watch ko enkusi aga man be free mumba. So it's a good week. Jerry Justice. Multimedia's finest.
Yeah.
Already on the BN flat. So Johnny Jerry baby was a flat.
Na the birthday.
Odipa check no I boko. Wait, and then the mayor no. No any. Jerry Justice. Jerry Justice. Na no fiada no. Ohun me na no ka say Charlie Oya Bamili ni mu because you was back again you be ready Jerry Justice Jerry Justice a branch ya ho for Jerry Justice obey so Jerry Justice the baby Jerry Justice I mean Adom Brown said that because I the baby he believe triangles be papa we the triangle look correct that's it it is here Professor Ike Wallace why crado and what you make out say acquire a Jordan sister Sandy be a guy if he send be the ho na fe Edim Pension mo so abro. Koswe Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. Ye kwaba.